Welcome back everyone to another episode of T-Shirt Cooking. Today's episode is another product review episode, and this is the Japanese style teriyaki stir-fry udon from Pulmuone. I likely pronounced that incorrectly, or maybe correctly, who knows. Anyways, I got this on special at COSTCO for $9.50. There's allegedly 4 portions, and it's allegedly easy to cook. Now, usually you're supposed to cook this with Chef Mike. Thankfully, we don't have a microwave in this house because that ruins food. Instead, what we will do is check the instructions and do it in a pan. So we have a pan here, and the instructions are quite simple. It says to cook it in a stovetop pan, you add oil, water, the vegetable topping, the udon noodles, and after a minute or two, you then would turn it to high heat and add the teriyaki seasoning. Seems a bit simple. We're gonna see what we're doing. We're gonna see what we get. We're gonna see how it looks like once we open this package. Does seem a little bit odd though. Water and oil. I'm not really much of a chef, but I thought water and oil cause a fire, but maybe that's only when it's hot. I don't know. You see, these are things, this might be T-shirt cooking, but we still don't really know what we're doing. I mean, we're just learning as we go. Anyway, this video is gonna be way shorter than my other videos. I've been making videos that are too long. I see the engagement dropping off. So we're gonna, you know what, let's just cut this up, all right? Let's just get what are we doing? Oh yeah, so scissor. We'll be back. We're gonna cut this, we'll be back. My initial impression is this seems quite simple. There's what I assume is the vegetable packs because they're green and there's 4 of them. There's 4 udon noodle packs and there is 4 what I assume to be stir-fry, teriyaki, or something sauce. Now that I think about it, the price is actually a little bit expensive. Like this was $9.50 on special and really this is all you get. I mean, you could get this for $3 at the local store. You could get an entire bottle of this teriyaki sauce for maybe $3. And you could get way more veggies than this for probably $3. But it's all good, you know, they do the portions, that's what you're paying for, right? Is the convenience and all this plastic. Look at the amount of plastic that is being used here. You know what, I could respect it because everybody's trying to do this whole no plastic thing and make things harder for the consumer, the ordinary tax-paying consumer. But I respect it. You see here, no, there's a lot of plastic. I like that. We'll keep it like that. You see, it makes it easier for the consumer. Anyway, I don't know what I was getting at. So we'll toss this aside. One. And now I need to put oil in here and we need to put some water. There was a measurement as to how much oil and how much water you gotta put. I'm not gonna read that. We're just gonna put oil and water. All right, I think it was about that. That was definitely too much. Now we're gonna turn this on. And at the same time, we're gonna do like what we did on the last video, is where we will have this camera video. Now, while this is heating up, we're supposed to put in the udon noodles right away. And we're supposed to put in, I think it was the vegetable. We're supposed to put in the udon noodles and the vegetable even before it gets hot, which is strange, but okay, I guess we're gonna do what it says. Let's just do what it says here, and we put 1 vegetable packet. How do we open this? And now we will let this warm up for a little bit until we put the sauce packet. And then we're supposed to stir it all up, and allegedly it's that simple. Quick reminder, whilst this is heating up, don't forget to check out the vlog channel. Somehow, by some miracle, we ended up hitting over 100,000 views in the last 28 days. I have no clue how we did that, but I'm posting shorts like crazy. All 20 videos from the Asia trip are there, plus another 3 videos that I filmed locally. Check out the vlog channel, links in the description. I'll put the name maybe somewhere here or there, maybe like a clip or something, a photo of it. Check out the vlog channel. Yes, it's me. Once again, like T-shirt cooking, it's directed, produced, written, filmed, edited, everything done by me. Anyway, we'll get back to the cooking aspect of this video. Now you see, this is something that immediately I knew wasn't going to work because when they said you need to use a big saucepan and to put water and oil in it already, I found this very strange. What I would have done is I would have boiled the udon noodles, then I would have drained the udon water in that water pot, and then I would have put the vegetables in the sauce pack. But here they explicitly said to add water and oil in a saucepan and then to put the vegetables and the udon. By the way, I don't even know if this is a saucepan. I don't know what a saucepan is. Like I just opened the drawer. I took the first one that's right in the front, that's clean. And look, we'll see what we get, but that's just how I would have done it. I think like what we're doing right now is likely not the best. We'll stay positive. We'll be back. At this point, I decided to put a lid over it because I'm thinking that maybe if there's some humidity that's generated, it'll sort of cook or boil the noodles better. That may be wrong. Or will this cause a fire? Because there's oil and water in there. I don't know how the whole oil and water thing works, but is this gonna cause a, where's my fire hydrant? Or not hydrant, but, okay, I have a fire extinguisher. Quick tip for anyone who's cooking in their house, or it's just always good to have, always keep a fire extinguisher in your kitchen. I don't know why people don't do this, but fire extinguisher, I think it was 2 of these for $12. It only costs you $6, and I think it's good for like 2 or 3 years. And you could look on YouTube to see how to use one, but guys, this is like the easiest assurance you could have. For $6, you could have a fire extinguisher in your house. I mean, guys, yeah, it'll make a mess, but if there's a fire, that'll probably make a bigger mess. Yeah, it's the simplest thing. I don't know why nobody has this in their house. I don't know a single person who has a fire extinguisher in the kitchen, but I always make sure I have one. And it's not past the expiry date. The pressure is still good. It's still perfectly fine. There's the instructions right on it in both English, French. You know, you can't go wrong. I don't know why nobody has this. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? We will now add the sauce, since I think we're at a point where we should be adding the sauce here. There's a lot going on. I don't know if you hear me right now. Well, we're gonna add the sauce and we're gonna see what we get here. All right, so I just learned it's not actually a sauce, it's a powder. So I didn't even know this, but I guess now I just learned this right now. We have now reached the time of tasting. Let me just show you what this looks like. It looks something like this. And I will say, this is a very small portion, by the way. I think what I was supposed to do was maybe add my own meat or maybe add more veggies. I'm not quite certain. The sauce was not sauce, it was a powder, which at first I was concerned, and then I put it in, I started mixing it around, and then I realized it mixed quite easily. So now we just have our noodles here. I will try some, I will take a bite. We will not show the food actually entering my mouth, since I find that kind of gross when you're watching the videos. I just can't watch eating shows. I mean, check my vlogs, you will never see me eating in any of the vlogs, except maybe one. There's one particular clip where you'll see me put food in my mouth, only once. Just something I don't like. And don't worry, we're gonna mute the sound of the chewing. What was I doing? Why are we prolonging this video for no reason? I'll take a bite and then we'll see. All right, so this is a maximum 6 on 10. Got a little bit of spice to it, not really too much. The noodles though, because of the way that we cook them and I didn't actually boil them, they're still like al dente, so they're still, they have like some sort of chewiness to them, which I personally like. I made sure to have like some vegetable in there, and I don't know, honestly guys, like I think the regular price is like almost $15 for that. That's crazy. 4 portions. Look at the portion, by the way. I took a small bite, so this is basically all of it. Look at this. You definitely need to add like your own meat. You could add maybe like ground pork or something to this, but all in all, I was not that impressed. Anyways, that's the review, guys. We're gonna cut the video. Like that was, yeah, all right. I think I'm gonna go make myself lunch or something. Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna find somebody to give those to. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to like, sub, comment. Shout out to all the attractive and or successful individuals who currently subscribe. We're almost at 500 subs, by the way. It's crazy. I think like the shorts helped ramp it up a bit. Check out the shorts as well if you haven't. And don't forget to check out the vlog channel. All right, now for real, we're gone. We're out. Cut this video.